Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a powerful and super efficient cooling and heating solution, the MrCool DIY 9K BTU 5th generation ductless mini split AC and heat pump. If you're tired of bulky window units or expensive installations, this system might completely change the game for you. The first thing that makes this unit stand out is right in the name, DIY. Unlike traditional mini splits that require professional installation, MrCool designed this system so you can install it yourself. That means no vacuum pumps, no complicated tools, and no extra installation costs. For a lot of people, that alone is a huge win. Now let's talk performance. With 9,000 BTU capacity, this system is ideal for spaces around 300 to 400 square feet. Whether it's a bedroom, office, or studio, it delivers consistent and powerful cooling. But what really sets it apart is that it's also a heat pump, so you get both cooling in summer and heating in winter, making it a year-round solution. Energy efficiency is another major highlight. With an impressive 23.6 SEER2 rating, this unit is built to save energy while maintaining strong performance. That translates to lower electricity bills over time without sacrificing comfort. The system runs on standard 115V power, which makes it easier to integrate into most homes without requiring special electrical upgrades. Plus, it operates very quietly compared to traditional AC systems, so you can enjoy a comfortable environment without constant noise. You also get smart features, including app control, allowing you to adjust temperature and settings right from your phone. This adds convenience and makes it easy to manage your indoor climate even when you're not at home. Another great advantage is the 1-year labor warranty, giving you extra peace of mind after installation. Combined with durable build quality and reliable performance, this unit is designed for long-term use. Overall, if you want a powerful, energy-efficient, and easy-to-install heating and cooling system, the MrCool DIY 9K BTU Mini Split is an excellent investment. It's modern, smart, and incredibly practical. Check the link in the description if you want to get yours. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews.